Good afternoon. My name is Yurilicet Morales Gonzalez. I live in Acacias Meta with my husband and my little daughter. In my free time, I love spending time with my family, visiting new places, making food together. I love hamburgers and breads, reading good books, watching TV series, comedy movies, and walking on Sundays. My short-term goal is to complete the academic or the graduate degree. Doing a specialization is a medium-term goal for which I am saving now, and getting a better job is a goal on which I am also acting. Sending resumes and training academically in various courses offered by the state. At the university, I have been very responsible. I like to do my academic work in order and with commitment. I have received recognition for my qualifications. My parents have been very proud of that, and so have I. It motivates me to improve every day and to continue with my dedication to education. I have gone to visit the city. I remember my trip to the city of Cartagena because it has been my favorite tourist trip. We went to celebrate a marriage, but I did not know the sea or had traveled by plane. So I was excited and scared too. It was 2 years ago in August. I went with 13 people from my family and the boyfriends. The plane trip was hectic. The truck I was scared, but then the trip was short because I was very happy. The sea is beautiful. The food is very tasty, and the nights are full of magic. I feel happy because I have managed to transmit the values that I have in the different settings where I find myself a performer, serving as an example for many people who go through or have gone through a moment where they felt alone and abandoned. I consider myself a respectful, kind, caring person. I like to help those who need me, even if it is with a hug or supportive look, elements that can contribute more than money. My ideal of life is to live quietly and as a family, share quality time with my husband, educate my daughter correctly, have savings that allow us to buy house together, travel to places that I do not know, because many times in my free time I prefer to stay home to save, but I have understand that memory are what matters, and that time goes by faster than you think. So I have to take advantage of every moment for my and my family.